Welcome to Boilers2Go. Today, we're covering everything you need to know about your Vaillant boiler warranty to keep your home protected. First, register within 30 days of installation to ensure you're covered for both parts and labour from day one. Standard warranties cover major parts like the heat exchanger and burner, giving you total peace of mind. To keep it valid, ensure a gas-safe registered engineer installs your boiler according to all manufacturer guidelines. Crucially, an annual service by a professional is mandatory. Skipping even 1 year could void your entire warranty. Remember, your Vaillant smart controls are also covered, provided they were installed at the same time as the boiler. Selling your home? These warranties are transferable, making them a fantastic selling point for potential new owners. Always use genuine Vaillant parts for repairs. Third-party components can quickly invalidate your valuable coverage. At Boilers2Go, we offer comprehensive service plans to help you stay compliant and keep your system running efficiently. For more expert heating advice and tips, make sure to subscribe and follow Boilers2Go. Thanks for watching and stay warm.